Welcome back to Trading Talk and Laughs. Today's episode is about the MACD, or as we like to call it, the Make a Cool Decision indicator.
And by cool decision, we mean hopefully not losing money. Let's dive into the basics, the secrets, and some of the mistakes we've made with this tool, because trust me, we've made plenty.
Sounds like a plan, Mike. Let's get started.
Alright, so what exactly is the MACD?
The MACD is like a two-in-one shampoo. It's supposed to make your life easier, but you're never really sure if it's doing everything it promises.
Exactly. It combines trend following and momentum indicators into one. Basically, it's like a car's dashboard. It tells you how fast you're going and if you're about to run out of gas.
And how does it work?
Here's how it works. The MACD line is the difference between two moving averages, usually the 12-day and 26-day EMAs. Then there's the signal line, which is a 9-day EMA of the MACD line.
Nice. And when these two lines cross, it's like a rom-com moment. But instead of kissing, they give you buy or sell signals.
Right? It sets the stage for making decisions.
Now let's dive into the histogram, which I think is pretty crucial.
The histogram, the unsung hero of the MACD. It's like your buddy in the backseat saying, "Hey, maybe slow down. The cops are up ahead."
Exactly. The histogram measures the distance between the MACD line and the signal line.
Big bars mean big momentum, and shrinking bars mean the trend is losing steam.
But don't get too comfortable, right?
Absolutely. Just because the bars are big doesn't mean the trend will last forever. Think of it like a sugar rush. What goes up must come down.
Now let's talk about using the MACD in real-life scenarios.
Sure. Here's a classic example. The MACD line crosses above the signal line here. Boom, by signal. But over here, when it crosses below, it's time to exit.
Great. But it's important to remember that it's not foolproof.
Right. Sometimes the MACD gives false signals, like telling you to buy just before a market crash.
Exactly. It's like your GPS telling you to take a shortcut, only to end up in the middle of nowhere.
That's why you need to pair it with other indicators like RSI or support and resistance levels.
Totally. Don't put all your faith in one tool. It's trading, not a magic trick.
Speaking of mistakes, remember the time I misread the MACD and thought I'd struck gold?
Oh yeah, you bought in right before a trend reversal and called me saying, "Mike, I'm retiring early." Spoiler alert, he didn't.
Lesson learned. Always confirm MACD signals with other data.
And also, don't trade while emotional. The MACD can't tell you, "Hey, maybe sit this one out."
Exactly. Emotions can cloud judgment.
Now, let's summarize what we've learned today.
So, to wrap up, the MACD is a great tool for spotting trends and momentum, but it's not perfect.
Use it wisely, and don't ignore what the histogram is trying to tell you.
And don't forget, no indicator can predict the future.
If it could, we'd all be on a beach somewhere, sipping drinks and laughing at charts.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us on Trading Talk and Laughs.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Because the only trend we want is upward growth on our subscriber count.
Until next time, may your trades be green and your jokes even greener.
And remember, folks, always keep your eyes on the charts and your heart in the game.
Yes, and don't forget to have fun while you're at it. Trading should be an adventure, not a chore.
Absolutely. Every trade is a story, and we're here to help you write yours.
Speaking of stories, let's talk about some famous traders and the lessons we can learn from them.
Great idea. For instance, there's Jesse Livermore. He was known for his market timing but also had his fair share of losses.
Right, Livermore famously said the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people, most of the time.
And that's so true. Just when you think you've got it figured out, the market throws a curveball.
Exactly. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and adaptable.
And don't forget about risk management. You can have the best strategy, but if you don't manage your risk, it's all for nothing.
Absolutely. Always have a plan and stick to it, even when emotions run high.
Speaking of plans, let's discuss setting up trading alerts using the MACD.
Great topic. Setting alerts can help you catch those crucial moments without staring at the screen all day.
Exactly. You can set alerts for when the MACD crosses above or below the signal line.
And don't forget to adjust your settings based on the asset you're trading. Different markets can behave differently.
That's a good point. Customizing your approach is key to effective trading.
And remember, always review your trades afterward to learn from them.
Yes. Keeping a trading journal can help you identify patterns in your decision-making.
And it's a great way to celebrate your wins and analyze your losses without getting too emotional.
Alright, folks, we've covered a lot today. Remember, the MACD is a powerful tool, but it's just one part of your trading toolkit.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep laughing as you trade.
Until next time, happy trading.
And may your charts always be green.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on the importance of community in trading.
Absolutely. Engaging with other traders can provide insights and different perspectives that are invaluable.
Exactly. Forums, social media groups, and trading clubs can help you stay informed and motivated.
And don't be afraid to ask questions. The trading community is often very supportive.
Remember, we're all in this journey together, and sharing experiences can help us all grow.
So, get out there, connect with fellow traders, and share your stories.
And don't forget to keep your sense of humor. It makes the tough days a lot easier to handle.
Right. If trading were easy, everyone would be doing it. Embrace the challenges and learn from them.
Well said. Alright, that's it for today's episode on the MACD.
We hope you found it helpful and entertaining.
And remember, keep that trading spirit alive.
Until next time, happy trading and happy laughing.
See you all soon.